Good morning. I can't speak right now. I just woke up. Give me 5 minutes. Wow, please sponsor me. Okay, now I can speak. It's Sunday! And Sunday is my favorite day of the week. I look like an egg. But this is how I look at home. If you look better than this at your home, then either there is something wrong with your brain or you're rich or both. Sunday के दिन मैं इतना खुश होती हूँ I cannot express. On Sunday I don't do anything. Like I don't do anything productive. I don't study. I don't go for swimming practice. I don't work out. I don't do shit. Look at this cut mark. I don't know how it happened. How do I show it to you? But Sunday is for my mental health. On Sunday I just do random shits that I enjoy, that calms down my mind and soul and makes me happy.
So it's gonna be a vlog.
You and I hanging out together all Sunday. It's gonna be so much fun. Should I do something about my appearance? Well, I'm too lazy to do that. This is why I'm single. We need to have breakfast first. Let's go have breakfast. Breakfast done. I'm gonna show you guys what I have been doing lately. I'm trying to learn a lot of new things. This pandemic has done something to my brain. I swear. Like all the new things that I'm doing, I always had them in front of my hand, but I never gave them a second thought. But now I'm just trying to do everything at once. I'm just gonna show you. Look at this thing. मुझे shampoo करना है. Sunday is shampoo day. I'm guessing it's same for everyone. मैं पहले shampoo करूँ या फिर मैं पहले कुछ और करूँ. It's 10:15 AM right now. चलो पहले नहा ही लेते हैं.
Few inches later.
Did you miss me? मैं 3 दिन बाद नहाई. Notice how shamelessly I said that without any hesitation. Actually 3 दिन नहीं, मतलब आज 3rd day था. Yesterday and the day before that I didn't shower. Yesterday evening को मैं swimming club गई थी और मेरे कोच के सामने मैंने ये बात बताई and he went like, I love doing this to people. I bet a lot of people don't shower for 2-3 days. They just don't tell you. A lot of people are not talking about it, but that doesn't mean a lot of people are not doing it. Shut the fuck up! This thing. चुप करना बे. My father bought it before his marriage. This thing is older than me. ये हमारे घर में बचपन से है and only about a week ago I decided that I wanted to learn how to play this. This lighting is so bad. My father knows how to play the tabla. My uncle, my father's elder brother, knows how to play the sitar. And then it hit me, I don't know how to play any instrument. Such a shame. This is my 4th lesson. Let's call it lesson, alright? उसके पहले मैं बस इसको लेके 3 दिन बैठी. I'll show you what I've learned so far. I've learned the keys. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I've learned flat and sharp and half step and full step. Stop! I chose a day to film this video when this dog is having a mental breakdown. I have learned 4 chords. C major, F major, G major, A minor. And I've also learned this. Check this out. Thank you so much. I know, I'm so talented. Only 3 lessons and I can play this. But you know when I fuck up, when I have to use both hands. It actually should be like this. My brain don't know how to work anymore. That's why I'm only playing this thing. This synthesizer has these demo sounds here. जब मैं छोटी थी डेमो म्यूजिक एक चला लेती थी एंड आई यूज्ड टू एक्ट लाइक आई नो हाउ टू प्ले द पियानो. Yeah, I have always been a very smart kid. If any music enthusiasts are watching this video, please give me some tips. I'm gonna practice it some more now.
One eternity later.
I'm trying to decide what I want to do next. There goes my cardio workout for today. Let's pass some more time by watching YouTube videos. Let's pass some more time by putting on nail polish. So sexy. Sunday lunch hits different. It's painting time, baby. Can I show you all what I have done till now? Am I boring you? Am I boring you with my multi-talentedness? This is my first time painting with acrylic paints, and I have realized what a pain in the ass acrylic paints are. You know, like whenever I need to blend two colors to create a certain shade, so I'll put the color on the plate and motherfucker dries before I can grab the next color. It dries up so quickly. So this is the first one that I did. It's just like a pattern kind of thing. All the paintings that I do, the reference pictures are mostly from Pinterest. I can never draw or paint from my mind. I always need to have reference picture that I just try to copy. My second painting, my favorite aesthetic is sunflowers and the sky and butterflies and stuff. So my first acrylic painting had to do something with sunflowers. My second painting is like a garden. My next painting, the most recent one, it's so bad. I'm ashamed to show this. Maybe I shouldn't show this. Okay, you know what I will. I'm not afraid of judgment. I'm not afraid of hate comments. Look at the fucking hands. कभी मार्केट गए हो जहाँ पे चिकन मिलता है और मतलब कटा हुआ जो पैर होता है वो रखा हुआ होता है साइड में, कभी देखा है? अगर नहीं देखा है वो ऐसे दिखता है. The eyes are uneven like my eyeliner. It sucks to be so untalented. Today I'm thinking of doing something that is called thermal body art. Let me show you. Wow! How cool is that? This looks so cool. Am I gonna get demonetized for showing this on my video? It's just woman's body in bathing suit. If YouTube can't handle this and demonetizes my video, then YouTube is sexist. Okay, I'm doing this one. I'm also going out with my cousin sister at 4 PM and it's already 2:15. So I need to hurry up. This looks like the human pictures that we had in our biology books. I'm done. The background, yeah, I thought it will look good, but it looks bad. Really bad. But that's fine, you know. Life is full of accidents like this. That's how most babies are born. It at least looks like a human, it doesn't look like a dog, and that's enough for me. Now I really need to get ready because look at the time. I'm supposed to meet my cousin at 4. Fuck! This is literally how a typical Sunday looks like in my life. I spend the whole morning just chilling, and in the evening I go out. If I stay at home on a Sunday evening, I feel depressed. 95% of the Sundays I go out with my parents because my parents are my go-to hangout buddies. Literally, I don't hang out with my friends a lot. I mostly hang out with my parents only. Today, me and one of my cousin sisters and my mom are going out. Hathi Bagan is like a marketplace in Kolkata. Outfit of the day! The earrings are from Esplanade, Kolkata. The dress is from Shein. R.I.P. Shein. I miss you so much. Shein feels like that one ex that you can never move on from. God knows why I have put on this lipstick. My mask will be on the whole time because I'm dumb. हम अभी तक मेन हाथी बागान तक जाके पहुंचे भी नहीं है and my mom is already done with her shopping. All the things we get to see before the fort. I'm home. It's a Hathi Bagan haul. पहले मैं दिखाऊंगी मैंने खुद के लिए क्या क्या लिया. Earrings, another pair of earrings. This shrug, a mask, a rubber band, another mask, a hairband. This thing, my cousin sister gifted this to me. I have been wanting to get one of these for so long. It's like a mason jar thing with a straw. It's so cute. I love it! And also these socks. I have a weird obsession with buying socks. I don't know where it came from. I buy a new pair of socks almost every time I go out. Now I'm gonna show you what all my mom got. A mask, fridge, bags, a shrug like mine, a scarf, eyeliner, table mats to put on the dining table before eating, these boxes, this rope for some reason to tie me when I go too out of control, this bag, teacups that says coffee on it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them, and this thing that my mom has been wanting to get for a long time, a vegetable cutter. Okay, it's all good. Sunday is coming to an end. I'm sad. I have accounts tuition first thing in the morning tomorrow. Okay, now I'm gonna go have dinner and then go to bed. Actually, no, I'm gonna watch Lucifer because that's the show I'm binging right now. Please stay safe. The pandemic is just getting worse and worse. Take care of yourselves. And like this video and comment down below and share and subscribe. Okay, bye!